What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this video is going to be on how you guys can make $100 a day or $3,000 per month, 100% free. Free traffic sources, free software, free everything, free, 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 free. The magic word free. Though 99% of people won't take advantage of this training because I'm putting it out for free. Crazy how that works. But yeah. 100% free method here, guys. All you guys got to do is follow this, and if you got to see the actual whole process, not whiteboard, you actually go through and do it, then go to the older videos that I put on. Literally every single topic I'm about to cover, I have covered on the YouTube channel 100% free. Right, and of course, all this training is also, more advanced and stuff inside Team DeAngelo. But let's just get into this here, right? Also, one more thing. I know a lot of you guys have been reaching out to me asking, should you do Amazon FBA or CPA marketing? Now, if you have experience already as an affiliate marketer, I would recommend doing CPA marketing, because CPA marketing is amazing. I know I made a whole video basically saying the negative stuff about it and stuff like that, but I mean, don't get me wrong, CPA marketing is amazing. That is how I bought my Camaro cash in 4 days. No car note, no payments, literally 4 days. Here's your money, get in my car type thing. I absolutely love CPA marketing. CPA marketing is amazing. All right. Just as a lot of people out there just don't really know what they're doing in it, so they can't really take advantage of it. But if you have experience in affiliate marketing, I would recommend going into CPA marketing. If you have no experience whatsoever and you have a budget, then I would recommend going into Amazon FBA, because you don't have to, it's not really anything different than what you're already doing. You're literally going to, everyone knows how to shop at Walmart. Everyone knows how to put shit inside of a box, and everyone knows how to take it and send it to UPS. That's literally the only three things you're doing. It's extremely easy. No one can fail at that. It's extremely easy. With CPA marketing, you got a bunch of different factors. You got to test landing pages. You got to spend thousands of dollars on tracking, software. You got, well, not thousands, but you got to spend, at least about a good 500 to 8,000, for tracking software and, spy tools and all these other tools and stuff. So the expense is a little higher, but I mean, you can make money on demand when it comes to CPA marketing. But yeah. Let's just get right into this whole thing here. So number one is going to be Craigslist. Craigslist is absolutely amazing. All right, and we're going to go over 4 methods here, 4 sites, whatever you want to call it. Craigslist. Like, a lot of people simply stopped using Craigslist because they went from letting everyone post for free in the gig section to charging I think it's literally 3 to about $10. Right, depending on which city and state or whatever you post in. Literally $3 to $10 for hundreds, if not thousands, depending on where you post at, of people to see their stuff. Right, hundreds of people to see their stuff, and they won't pay $3 to $10. There are actually videos boycotting Craigslist of other quote unquote marketers, because I don't consider you a business owner if you refuse to invest in your business. This is a business. You can't even be legally recognized as a business without an LLC. And the LLC costs hundreds of dollars, at least in my area. So, you have to spend money. It's just that simple. If you're someone right now that is just simply not spending money solely because you don't want to lose it or whatever the case may be, you are in the wrong field. All right? This is a business. You shouldn't have no problem spending $3 to $10 on a Craigslist post that will literally make you hundreds of dollars back. Or let's say it doesn't make you any money. You are still gathering data. This is what you do as a marketer. Quit being scared. I mean, come on. It's $3, $10. And I know that's a lot in some countries or whatever, but still, when it comes to this whole CPA marketing, you got to realize this is what it is. This is what you are going to do. If you can't afford a $3 or $10, then literally go to a different website and focus on just 100% free. But you're missing out so much on that $3 to $10. Literally, I haven't had a single post that didn't do anything less than 5x. I'm telling you guys, absolutely amazing. Craigslist is a gold mine right now. Again, that's one of the reasons why I don't really talk about it that much, because again, it's a gold mine. If you're a Team DeAngelo member, you guys do the training for the Craigslist. I know Craigslist might seem old school to people, but just do it. I'm telling you, it's amazing. So that's number one. Number two is, going to be YouTube. So now this really depends on how much effort and how much work you want to put in. Because when it comes to YouTube, a lot of people just like to take other people's videos, just throw something up and put a link in the description. All right. I mean, that's the lazy way of doing it, and depending on if you know how to use like Google Trends, for example, it really doesn't matter, right? Because then you're still going to get thousands of conversions or whatever. So it really just depends on what you know already. If you are using like the comment section, right? Let's say you're doing the comment section. So basically, I made a whole, like I said, everything I'm covering now is literally 100% free on the YouTube channel, so no excuses. All right. So you guys can go watch the comment video. Basically, this shows you how to just get your comments to number one, on the YouTube news feed, right? I mean, not the news feed, but the video. So it's going to be ranked number one, and then you come back and basically you edit that comment with a CPA link, and since it's going to have a bunch of likes, it's going to have a bunch of comments and stuff like that already, people are just going to think everyone is talking about that CPA link, and they're just going to go through and continue to do it, and you're just going to continue to make money over and over and over from that YouTube comment. You also can upload videos, like I said before. If you upload the video, then basically all you do is, you take someone else's video or you make your own video, and then you have to rank it, which a lot of people don't know how to do. So this really doesn't work for a lot of people because they just take a video, throw it up, put a title on there, and they just expect free money. Like, that's not how that works at all. If you just put a video up and no one knows about it, you're not going to make any money. It's just that simple, So you got to know how to rank videos and stuff like that. If you don't know how to do that, I wouldn't even recommend even uploading videos. It's not going to do anything, But yeah, when it comes to that, I would highly recommend going to the comment section of other videos that are, doing well, getting some really good numbers, like 1 million views, stuff like that. Like let's say you go rank a comment on PewDiePie's video. You're going to have a lot of people on there. You can even go through and, go to Social Blade, right? So let's just say you do some research, right? You go to whatever video that you're doing, you go to the comment section, and let's say like a comment has 10,000, likes, right? So then what you want to do is you want to go to their channel, and let's say they got like 500 subscribers, right? You want to see where those 500 subscribers came from. So now if you go to Social Blade, right, over here, and then you put in that person who got the 10K likes, you put in their username, and then you want to see, on Social Blade over here, and then basically you want to see where those came from, where all those subscribers came from. So let's say they had 100 subscribers, and then after they made this comment here, whatever the comment was, they end up getting 400 subscribers, and you'll be able to tell from the data, because it'll have the data when all their stuff shot up, when all the people started subscribing, when when they made the comment, the post here, like all that stuff. You're gonna have all that data, okay? So don't worry about that. You're gonna have a bunch of data when it comes to that there. All right, and the next thing is, Facebook groups. Obviously, Facebook groups are absolutely amazing. Now, this is another thing, just like Craigslist, people think, oh, it's dead. Facebook groups are dead. Facebook groups are dead. Facebook groups are not dead. You're just not doing it right, or you're posting in dead groups. Those are the only two things. Facebook groups are absolutely amazing. Work 100% of the time. You just have to know what you're doing. And a lot of people are going into the making money online niche. Get out of the making money online niche, and I guarantee you will make more money. It's just that simple. Like, take this channel, for example. The only thing you guys know about me is that I make money online. But like, this whole making money online niche is my least performing. This niche here is like either my second last or dead last on how much money I make. My very first $100,000 that I made was in the mom niche. That's crazy. And the only thing people know about me is that I'm in this making money online niche. Right? So that's why I say, guys, you want to really get into stuff where you don't need people to make money. You don't want to have people, quitting on you. You don't want to be in MLMs where you have to like constantly go out and recruit people. I don't want to do any of that. Like if I lost Team DeAngelo, Landshark Profits, all of that stuff, like if I lost everything that I was in the making money online niche, it would not affect me at all, because all of my other niches are so profitable. I'm telling you guys, go into different niches, go into e-commerce. You can literally sell anything, sell baseballs, gloves, whatever. When it comes to the making money online niche, don't get me wrong, it's extremely profitable, But at the same time, you have a bunch of competition, you have a bunch of quitters, you have a bunch of people who are not serious about making money, you have a bunch of people, that are just time wasters. You just got a whole bunch of stuff that if I didn't like making YouTube videos, I wouldn't even be doing this anymore. So you got to really enjoy helping people. You got to really, be about trying to basically just help people. Because if it's about making money, you're gonna have a very tough battle ahead of you. But yeah, the Facebook groups still work, guys. All you need to do is literally just go through the process, and promote offers that aren't time wasters. I made a whole video on this too, 100% free on the YouTube channel. Go watch it. Basically it goes over how you guys can, what offers to promote, so that way you aren't getting kicked from Facebook groups and stuff like that. Because you want to, again, find something that's actually working. So let's say you go and you find a dog offer, right, on YouTube, on whatever CPA network you with, and it actually works. You don't want to take a free dog food offer that is literally just a survey, after survey after survey after survey, because then you're wasting people's time. You don't want any time wasting CPA offers, okay? It has to be something that actually works, where they actually receive dog food. And I know it's going to be hard to find one, but trust me, they are out there. You just got to go out there and find them. So find one that actually works, and then go join that group. That simple. And then literally post this in it. And then you can always say something along the lines. That's what I personally do. I'll say something along the lines like, hey, I don't know if I can post this here, but I just got a free bag of dog food from this here. You can post a picture of, take a picture from Google, post a picture in there of the bag of dog food, trial size, whatever it may be. And then just tell people straight up, again, I don't know if I can post this here, but I know there's a lot of dog owners like myself. This company here is giving away some free dog food, add some emojis, all that fun stuff, because you don't want to go in there and say, hey, I'm giving away, because then they're going to look at you like, oh, you're the scammer, right? So you want to always put all the company on, even if you own the company, just put it on someone else. Oh, yeah, I don't, the company this, the person's giving away this, or whatever the case may be, right? They're giving away this amount. This is what I got, So I know there's a lot of other dog food people. Other dog owners in here. So I want to make sure that I spread the love, whatever, right? So you guys can get some free dog food. Boom, good to go. All right, and then the last one is going to be forms, right? So this is 4 easy ways that you guys can literally make $100 a day, $3,000 plus a month. If you take it seriously, you can actually make a lot more than that. So forms. Now, forms is extremely easy, because literally all you're doing is just answering the person's question, and then you're just tying it into whatever it is that you want to, promote. So let's say you're like, let's say you find a comment, you're like, I want to lose 30 pounds in 30 days. What can I do, right? So then you actually answer the question. See, this is where people fuck up when it comes to these forums and answering question sites and stuff like that, and they get banned and all this stuff, because they do stupid stuff. Like they'll see this, oh, I want to lose 30 pounds in 30 days or whatever. They'll, oh, go to this link here. Go to this link. Okay, go to this link. Go to this link right here. Go to this link. Right? So you're not putting in any work. You want to actually answer the goddamn question. Stop being lazy. Answer the question. If you want to make $1,000, this is what you're gonna have to do. Answer the question. Literally write out a whole paragraph, or go to a website and just copy what they got up there and read it first. Obviously, make sure it answers the question, and go through, and read the question. Read their stuff or whatever. Then you're going to take that whole paragraph, and then you're going to paste it and answer that person's question. And then at the bottom or something like that, you want to tie in, or you can go here. We also recommend going here. This person helped me out, or this product here helped me out. If you say person, if you're selling a course, you would just say, this product here. Obviously, if you're doing a trial offer or something like that, you can be like, oh, it is $7.99 for shipping. I didn't really like that, but I did it anyway because I wanted to lose weight. Boom, there you go. Something as simple as that, guys, right? And it can literally be, again, this is just like Facebook groups. You can literally go into any single niche. The offer just has to work. That simple, and you're good to go. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it, on how you guys can make $100 a day. Again, every single one of these topics I just covered, literally every single thing in this entire video has its own video on the YouTube channel. All you got to do is go look for it. I don't want to see any comments and where can I find this? Go to the YouTube channel and look for it, guys. I mean, it's not like I made 1 million videos. It's probably like all of 400 videos on this channel spread out over 3 years. So, I mean, like, just look for the video. Guys, do a little bit of research. That's another killer for people who get started into this whole CPA field. They don't do research. Like, they're just not hungry for this stuff, you know? I mean, you got all access to all this training. You got access to people who are literally making thousands of dollars per month, you know, and you just aren't taking the stuff seriously. All right, there isn't a single person that's watching my videos, you know, or any other entrepreneurs' videos right now that puts in 40 to 60 hours per week like they would at a job and not seeing results. Not a single person. Literally, there's not one person right now. You'll see tons of people that go and put up 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, and then they quit. All right. Don't be like the majority of people. If you want results that, you know, 99% of people aren't getting, you have to do what the 99% of people aren't doing. And it's actually not hard. The 99% of people just aren't fucking doing any work. It's just that simple. Like, CPA marketing works, Amazon FBA works, direct sales works, fixing websites for clients works. Like, all of this stuff works 100%. Getting apps made and then, you know, getting people to that app and then making residual money, that works. All of this stuff works. The only people who are saying this doesn't work are people who are lazy and don't want to put in the work, and that's 100% true. All right, but love you guys. You guys know, I gotta give it to you raw. You know, you gotta have the just gotta have no filter here, because you gotta realize a lot of this stuff is not, well, it's easy once you get it down, but a lot of people go into this like it's gonna be hunky dory, like they're gonna make $1 million tomorrow. That's not how this works. It takes work. You gotta put in 110% or 100% or whatever, right? You got to put in 100%, 110%, and you just got to keep doing it over and over and over. And it's not like it's hard. Literally, if you go set up an ad right now on Craigslist, right now, if you get your CPA offer, right? You get your CPA offer and you go and set up an ad right now on Craigslist. That's compliant. That actually works. I guarantee, I 100% guarantee you will have money in your CPA account as soon as your ad gets, approved. Let's just say one day. I guarantee you'll see results in one day. There you go. One day, guaranteeing it. And there isn't a single person that can comment below this video that just did exactly what I said and not see results. Not one person. Prove me wrong. Literally, try and prove me wrong. Go to Craigslist right now, find you an ad, and put it up there. But that's pretty much it, guys. Rant's over. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. Hopefully you guys made it to the end of the video. That's another thing that's crazy to me. People are like, oh, I want to make, $100,000 a year, but they can't even watch a 15-minute video. Mind blowing. But that's pretty much it, guys. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. If you got any questions, simply drop them down below.